What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And guys, I gotta show you this here. Basically a skeleton just about a week ago, but as you can see, the walls are all up. Of course, we've got the Epic Foxcast Media sign. I'm in love with these. We need to just sell these because these are so cool. Yeah, it's a long walk. But yeah, it's up on the wall looking good. And then over here, Dover, you've got like the most important room all framed up and ready to rock.
Oh, but the room's there.
Yeah, exactly. So before, y'all, we just kind of had to go on the side there and hope we'll open. Nah, we won't open it. But anyway, you get the idea. There's the restroom. But now we're going to start moving some cars in. Most importantly, the car that's been locked. 92. Why do I keep thinking it's an 88? Because the other one's an 88. That's why. All right, guys. So that's the deal. We're fixing to get the race car in the shop for the first time. Let's do this. And she's on the ground. We're probably gonna have to do something. There we go. All right, we're straight. All right, let's bring her on back. There she bees. She rolls good, doesn't she? The first official car in the new shop. Which it's actually kind of fitting that this car be the first in the shop. Because this is the race car that has kind of been put on the back burner because of all the shenanigans we got going on out here. There she is, first car in the shop. There you go, guys. We got the spiffy, the spiffy roll-arounds. Just jack them up. We can get the cars off in the corners. These things are super cool. But you can see how they work. But we'll be able to get this car off in the corner. We've got to get the bead locks are at the powder coater now, getting the centers done up. And it's got the forged weld bead locks on the rear. And of course, the forged. Oh yeah, like it ain't nothing. Like it ain't nothing. We're gonna put her way in the corner there, or we're gonna.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over here now.
Can do long ways.
No, I'm gonna put it like this, but I'm gonna kind of leave a little space.
Yeah. Yeah, don't worry, guys. You'll get to see this one built. Here is where the lift is gonna be. To right, okay. So you see the X here, and then another car right here, and then obviously 3 more. Plenty of room. All right, guys. So next, going into the new shop is Coyote Swap number 7, the Wild Strawberry 91. We'll be building that very shortly. As you, oh God, yeah, almost on solid pavement. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Look at her.
Woo.
She going in. Whew. Look at that wild strawberry in the sun, y'all. I'm telling you. Sheesh. As you can see, we already got a couple of them in here. Of course, there's Philip, the Wild Strawberry car. Again, if you haven't been following the channel, this one is getting Coyote, and we've got a TKO 600 for it. It's already got a build 8.8 under it. Got all black interior for it, on and on. Fresh Wild Strawberry paint. That car's ridiculous. And of course, the 92 Florida Highway Patrol. This is the race car. Now, here's the thing. Dover's got a 434 dart block, like totally footy in it, which we've talked about that before. Coyote and turbo in the car, but not 100% sure on that. But it's ready to go as fast as anybody wants to. she's solid. But the main thing is, guys, the shop is like, it's coming along so good. We got to get the lift up, and then we're going to do some shelves along these walls, as far as like have the shelves labeled. So, you know, anything that we take off of your car is going to go on a specific area. So when we go to put the car back together, we know exactly where your parts are. Just one of those things, you got to stay organized. When we're just fooling with our cars, we just throw stuff everywhere. All right, so these are the shelves we're talking about right here. What are these, 8 foot?
3 12-foot shelves.
Yeah, they're high. But we're basically gonna take these out of here, because this is gonna be a paint booth. We're gonna get this pretty much converted into a updraft, downdraft, whatever you call it, paint booth. And we're gonna take these shelves, put them over in the new shop. Lots of storage room. All right, guys, so slowly but surely, we got the shelves down, and these are what's we're taking over to the new shop. You would not believe the amount of parts we got to organize out here. Holy mother of God. Yeah. It's going to take us a minute. Get all this cleaned out. Load all these shelves up in the back of the old Chevy. 8 feet up we're doing. These shelves are going to be about even with the bathroom wall there, and then we're going to just run them all the way around the shop. That way it's up and out of the way, but we also have extra storage on areas that might not be used. So cool idea, but it's definitely coming along. Got to get the lift in and start moving the rest of these toolboxes and all that stuff. So it's gonna be epic. You guys, I'm telling you, guys are not gonna smash that subscribe button. Wow. Just one more look.